You want to start a ETF swing trading, but you are thinking, where the heck do I get $1,000? Don't worry. You won't need to quit Lattes, move to votes, or sell your soul.
Step 1. Find cash hiding in plain sight. The average person has $300 to $400 just leaking out of their bank account. Old subscriptions, random app charges, unused gym membership, that weird meditation app you signed for after a breakup. Step 2. Commute and daily habit tweaks. You don't need to sell your car. Just stop driving like you are in Fast and Furious. Here are some tips. Walk short distances. Combine errands. Use cashback cards. Small gas savings like these add up over 4 weeks. That's $60 to $100 saved. Step 3. Eat well. Save smart. No sad chicken and soggy broccoli here. We are still having fun with food. Keep one takeout night. Just plan the rest. Cook one extra portion a week. Freeze it. That's future you saying thank you. Step 4. Micro hustles that don't suck. Earn $200 to $300. You don't need to start a business. You just need to leverage what you already have. Like the designer purse you haven't used since Obama was in office. Single, sell 3 things. Partner, team hustle. Parents, turn playdate into side gigs like pet sitting. This is bigger than $1,000. You're not just building an ETF fund. You're building confidence, control, options. Let's wrap this up. Here is how you get your first $1,000 without giving up your joy. Trim wasted spending, $300. Smarter commuter and habits, $100. Tasty thrifty food swaps, $150. Low lift income boosters, $250. That's a total of $800 to $1,000 in just 30 to 60 days.
This isn't about hustle culture. It's about freedom culture. Start small, be smart, still enjoy your coffee, still enjoy your life. Just make your money work for you this time. Drop a comment if you're not giving up takeout. Subscribe for more smart money moves. And I will see you in the next video.